Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 6 effective herbs for a healthy, damage-free liver. The liver is basically known as the filter of the body because its main function is to remove toxins and wastes from the system. However, the liver can easily become congested because of poor dieting and overindulgence to unhealthy foods. Basically, toxins from our bloodstream are filtered out by the liver. This will then be changed chemically into risk-free substances that can be easily washed away. This just shows how important our liver is for our physical wellness. If in case the liver is not capable of removing all harmful wastes and toxins, these toxins will build up in the tissues, which will eventually lead to different health issues. Health complaints like cholesterol-related problems, digestive problems, constipation, allergies and other such illnesses may arise if wastes are not washed out completely. Also, body pain and chronic fatigue are symptoms of an unhealthy liver. To keep our liver healthy and undamaged, many health experts recommend going on an herbal liver detox. An herbal liver detox is a safe and effective way to improve bile production for building liver tissues, and there are a lot of food supplements available in the market that helps the liver in detoxifying the body. The following are good examples of herbs used for herbal liver detox. Turmeric is excellent in herbal liver detox. It cleanses the liver very gently and naturally. Turmeric is known as an Ayurvedic herb that also acts as an antioxidant that boosts the creation and production of bile. It contains a compound substance called curcumin that also aids in treating gallstones. Milk thistle is widely used in herbal liver detox supplements because of its powerful liver benefits. It protects the liver from toxins while stimulating it function normally. Dandelion helps the liver increase the production of bile. This herb is very effective in helping the liver wash out toxins, wastes and poisonous substances. Lycopodium is another common ingredient for herbal liver detox. This kind of herb is taken from moss, which is also good for cleaning the liver and kidneys. Fringe tree is pretty much similar to dandelion. It also helps boost bile production in the liver. It is also an effective herb in preventing liver enlargement, chronic illnesses and hepatitis. Yellow dock helps purify the liver and also aids in dissolving fats collected in the liver. These are just some herbs perfect for liver detox. They may come in the form of teas, capsules or powder form and are usually available in the market. To know more about herbal liver detox, it is best to consult a naturopathic doctor. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, leave a comment and share with your friends. We thank you so much for watching. For more nutrition, health and beauty tips, please subscribe to our channel.